Typing one page of names pays $15. Typing 5 pages pays $75. Typing 20 pages pays $300. And typing 35 pages each day pays $525. Hello and welcome back to my channel, Making Money Both Online and Offline. I'm thrilled to have you here again. Today we'll look at how to make money just by typing names. So grab your favorite snack and let's get started. Have you ever considered earning up to $525 a day by entering names online? How cool is that?
Yeah, boy.
Well, let me demonstrate how it works. You have a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity when you input names like Anthony, George, or Joan. Typing one page of names pays $15. Typing 5 pages pays $75. Typing 20 pages pays $300. And typing 35 pages each day pays $525. The best aspect is that there are no limits on how much you can type or how much money you can earn. You can do this for free and from anywhere in the globe using your phone or computer. Make careful to watch the entire video to prevent missing the sign-up method, which is actually quite difficult and most people get it wrong. Thus, if you want to earn 3 times what others do, I'll give out another extra website later in this video where we'll teach you the most recent making money online ideas, tips, and methods. If you want to earn 3 times the amount that other people make, stick with me. That this website's calculator make it simple to figure out how much money you can make from this new opportunity. Pay close attention to the rate per word. That means that you're able to be paid 5 cents each word written, with a page often containing 300 words. A similar project may be seen on pages 1, 2, and 3. For example, you can earn money by just typing names on each of these pages. Let me show you a URL where you'll earn 15 points for writing 300 words. When I scroll down, I notice that there are 300 names in all. Just typing names into this website can get you 15 points for writing 300 words every page. Consider these 15 cents per page offer. We may obtain 20 to 35 pages per day, which implies that inputting names on this website can easily make you up to $525 per day.
What? Damn!
Most importantly, we will use the website talentdesire.com to make money online from home without paying a single penny. To get things started, you don't have to make any investments or spend any money. This chance is completely free, and we're going to focus on web-based writing jobs in this video because it's one of the easiest things that you can do on this site. If you scroll down, you'll discover that they provide a range of work-at-home options such as online typing jobs, freelancing, blogging, language translation, and online paid surveys. When it involves finding a job, you have a variety of options, but for the sake of this video, we'll concentrate on online typing jobs because they're one of the simplest things you can do on this website and don't require any prior expertise or technical skills. I want you to go ahead and click on this red button to learn more since it shows that you can earn anything between $13,500 and $27,000 a year when you join this business. As you can see, there are no joining fees, no hidden cards before you join, and we never ask you to invest at any point. You can see right away that you will get rewarded differently depending on your ability level. Beginning with beginners and progressing to experts, you can also see that even if you are a total beginner, you may get paid whether you are an expert or not. In a moment, I'll show you a method that no one else knows about. First bonus tip is to enter names into a search engine to get a better rate. Please go to rateatype.com and take a free typing test on their webpage. To access this page, click the yellow button below. What is the best place to start typing, on your phone or computer? I'd like you to take the speed typing exam so that you may get a certificate from this website. The certificate is free, but you will need it since it will boost your revenue and earning rates on each page. If you want to earn 15 cents each page type, for example, make sure you get their certificate. This is the most important step because you have a typing certificate. You will be accepted faster and have access to more high-paying jobs and unlimited opportunities. But adding names might earn you up to $525 per day. Your accuracy should be between 98 and 99.99%, as indicated above. The better your accuracy, the more money you will make. By completing a typing test and receiving a certificate from this website, you can demonstrate both your speed and accuracy. This will greatly boost your payment rate. Let me explain to you how you can take these tests right now and get a free certificate in less than 5 minutes. They will show me my accuracy and typing speed once I finish typing, which you can also see here. These are my real results. If your accuracy is less than 98%, you can return to retitype.com and take the typing test for free until your speed or accuracy increases. Before I continue, please subscribe to the channel and give it a huge thumbs up. Please leave a comment below if you found the video interesting and informative so far. It's time to go back to work and start earning some money. Now, scroll down and click on this link to return to the video. Enter your name, email address, and password to create a free account. After accepting the terms and conditions, click the yellow sign up button to create a free account. To achieve a decent score, scroll down and click on the certificate. It will indicate that it was granted to you for typing in English and will even display you the totype.com signature to ensure its authenticity. This certificate will be greatly useful to you. Scrolling down again, you can actually click on this print button right here. Don't worry, you can do it on your computer or mobile phone as well. Keep an eye out because I'll show you how to sign up, register, and apply for a typing job on talentdesire.com, where you can earn $50 for projects like this one right here. You may get paid significantly more. This may be done on a computer or a mobile phone. Now that we've landed at talentdesire.com, I want you to scroll all the way to the bottom and click the red Apply Now button to reach the page where you may start applying for jobs. Do take note and watch this video all the way through because the registration page is confusing and difficult to discover. If you're not paying attention, you may become confused or fail to find the page. Instead, scroll down to see what's available and select a tool to use. Next, we'll proceed to this page, where you may apply for our online work-at-home jobs by clicking on this red link. Look for this red link that says fill in your details to apply and work with us. As you can see, the registration page on this website is well disguised. If you can find it, try watching it again, bookmarking it, or adding it to your playlist. Scroll down below this page to see where you'll be entering your personal information. Accept the privacy policy first by adding your first and last name, email address, phone number, and country, then clicking the down arrow. People from all over the world are welcome, including individuals from India, Nigeria, the Philippines, the United Kingdom, the United States of America, and Pakistan. Going on to the following page, this is essentially your professional information, which the majority of individuals miss. Now, I want you to fill in the job title area with a professional data entry specialist. It's critical to write the job title exactly as it appears above, and then choose a time that works best for you. Next, right here, click the down arrow and choose any time. However, I recommend doing so all day because it will give you more opportunities in job to earn more money online. Click the down arrow to select your preferred method of payment, which for me is PayPal, Payoneer, Wise Transfer, or direct deposit. Scroll down to choose your present professional status. In this case, I'll select self-employed. When you've completed all of the fields, click Yes, I've read and accepted the above statement, and don't forget to sign your name by providing your full name and clicking I'm not a robot. And click the Submit button. Once accepted, you will begin receiving typing name tasks like this one, in which you can earn 15 for just 300 words on one page, 15 for the following page, and so on. You may earn $15 every page completed, but you must complete your task on time if you want to keep earning more and more daily jobs. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.